All right, so let's look at how to use an area model to represent probability. In the last problem, you had looked at the probability of the population to be able to bend their thumb or roll their tongue. Each of those in this first problem were 1/2. Half is likely. So the probability of yes and yes would be 1/2 times 1/2 or 1/4. You can see there's 4 boxes. The probability of each of them is the same likelihood. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. Okay, so this is a pretty basic model. However, the probabilities aren't always nice, pretty numbers like this. So let's look at a more realistic example. So here we have the probability of bending our thumb is actually only 1/4 of the population can do that. So notice that instead of dividing it right down the middle, we slid the yes over to show it's a little bit smaller. So what's the probability if 7/10 can roll their tongue? So 7/10 can. So yes would be 1/7, then no would be 3/10. So now to find the area of this piece, I'm now going to multiply 7/10 times 1/4. So now the probability of both of them occurring is actually 7/40. So we're still using the area model to help us make sense of the situation. However, these events are not 50/50. So you're just going to adjust the model, or you can make it a generic model. Just make sure that you're just not counting the boxes and saying 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. You're labeling the probabilities, and then to find the area of this rectangle, base times height. A great way to check yourself is all of these probabilities should add up to one whole. So if we took all of these probabilities and added them up, we should get 1. So now it says, what is the probability that someone could roll their tongue? So roll tongue. But not bend thumb. Okay, so roll tongue, yes, but not bend thumb. So here we do the 7/10 times the 3/4, and that would give us the probability of that event.